Which RC drift car actually drifts well? Simple question, but the answer takes some digging. Today I'm breaking down the 5 best options based on real performance, not just flashy ads. Product number 1, Seikai 116 Drift Racer. First up is the Seikai 116 Scale RC Drift Car. At around $55, it sits in the mid-budget range and caught my eye with its LED lights and water mist sprayer. Yes, it literally sprays mist out the back. If you want something fun for indoor drifting with a bit of flair, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with both drift tires and racing tires, so you can switch between smooth slides on tile or hardwood and faster runs outdoors. The 4 GHz remote lets you race with friends without signal interference, and with 2 included batteries you get nearly 40 minutes of runtime. At 18 km/h, it's not the fastest, but the handling feels responsive thanks to its 4WD system and lightweight shell. Now, some people complained about the build feeling a bit plasticky, and honestly, after a few hard crashes, the body did show some scuffs. But here's the thing, it's designed for casual fun, not hardcore bashing. For under $60, you're getting solid value, especially with those extra tires and the cool light show. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, feature-packed starter drift car for kids or adults who want something playful. Skip this one if you need serious speed or durability for rough terrain. Still, for the price, it delivers way more than you'd expect. Product number 2, LVCDZR 118 Speed Beast. Now, if the Seikai Speed left you wanting more, the LVCDZR 118 Scale RC car might be your next step. Priced at $96, it's built like a mini monster truck but drifts surprisingly well. If you want raw speed mixed with off-road versatility, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It hits up to 40 km/h thanks to a powerful 380 brushed motor, and the gyroscope system helps stabilize drifts, especially helpful if you're still learning. The independent suspension and metal shock absorbers mean it handles jumps and rough pavement like a champ. Plus, it includes 2 interchangeable shells and 4 extra drift tires, so you can customize your look and performance. Some buyers mention the battery life isn't the best, around 15-20 minutes per pack, and the non-standard batteries can be tricky to replace. But here's the thing, for the performance level, that runtime is actually pretty standard. Just keep a spare charged and you're good. This is perfect for you if you want a fast, durable RC that can drift indoors and tear up outdoor terrain. Skip this one if you only plan to drift on smooth floors and don't care about off-roading. For under $100, it's a beast with serious bang for your buck. Product number 3, HyperGeo V3 Brushless Drift Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious drifters, the HyperGeo 14301 V3. At $153, it's the priciest here, but it's in a different league. If you want pro-level drifting with upgrade potential, this is the real deal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a brushless motor that hits 38 mph with a 3S battery, and the independent gyro makes every turn feel precise. The aluminum chassis, metal gears, and oil-filled shocks scream durability. Plus, it comes with 3 tire sets, drift, rally, and street, so you can adapt to any surface. The transmitter even lets beginners limit throttle to 70% while learning. Now, some people complained about the learning curve. This isn't a toy you just grab and go. And honestly, it's heavy at nearly 5 pounds, which can make it harder to control if you're new. But here's the thing, that weight adds stability at high speeds, and once you get the hang of it, the control is unmatched. This is perfect for you if you're serious about RC drifting and want a car you can grow into. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just looking for casual fun. But if you're ready to invest, this thing will blow you away. Product number 4, Distoni 124 Mini Drifter. Now, if the HyperGeo felt too big or expensive, this next one takes a completely different approach, the Distoni 124 Scale Drift Car. At just $27, it's the most affordable on this list, and surprisingly, it's no slouch. If you want a tiny but capable drifter for tight spaces, this one's a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It reaches 15 km/h, fast for its size, and the two 4 GHz remote gives you interference-free control up to 145 feet. The included drift and racing tires let you switch modes quickly, and with 2 batteries you get up to 30 minutes of playtime. The compact size makes it perfect for apartment floors or small tracks. But here's the thing, for under $30 you're getting a fully functional drift car that's great for beginners or kids. It's not built to last forever, but it's perfect for learning the basics. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or introducing someone to RC drifting. Skip this one if you want high-speed action or long-term durability. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat. Product number 5. PIWI-JOY 124 LED Drift Machine. Finally, the PIWI-JOY 124 scale drift car lands at $51, right between budget and premium. What sets it apart? The tri-zone LED lighting and solid 20 km/h top speed. If you want a stylish, well-balanced drifter that looks cool even when it's off, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4WD system delivers smooth power, and the gyro-free design means you get pure manual control, great for learning proper drifting technique. The dual batteries give you over 50 minutes of runtime, and the quick-swap design means no downtime. Plus, the included track barriers let you build your own drift course. Some people wished it had a stronger motor, and honestly, it won't win any speed races. But here's the thing, it's built for control, not just speed. The drift tires grip just enough to slide smoothly without spinning out. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, feature-rich drift car with great lights and decent speed. Skip this one if you're chasing extreme performance. For around $50, it's a smart, balanced pick. So which one should you get? The Destoni is best for tight budgets, the Seikai adds fun with lights and mist, the LV-CDZR blends speed and off-road toughness, the PIWI-JOY offers great balance and style, and the Hyper Geo is the pro choice if you're serious. Each has its place, pick based on your skill level and where you plan to drift. Thanks for watching and happy sliding.